loss for my hand. You dey crest? You dey crest? Make it loss for my hand. That time I never will switch to my husband paper. Now so this woman they talk. You wear your paper, no fit go Nigeria. You wear your paper, na zero paper. You wear your paper, na this one. Madam, like as me am now. I am fully ready for you. Now you, too often I go make me do DNA for this country again and again. I go do for my daughter, you go do for your picky where you buy papa for. You don't want me? Are you whining? They play. Pastor Ima de America. Pastor Ima, your pastor. Where sign for your picky? You know now, say your best friend will be my enemy before is not my friend and now your enemy. Story there, you dey craze? You dey craze? I dey wait for you. You know, say for this TikTok, if person know they talk, maintain your integrity, when I don't turn out another thing. Just wait. Oh, go on, integrity. Kamudiane. Oh, which one they play before?
House. If you tell you, I don't want to see for media.
Ozuo. Because you never married before. If you tell your wife, say, I don't want to see you for media.
Driving license in November.
Before today, before I born my twins, 2023, she dey tell me, say, you think say easy to born twins? Go ask people who get twins. Twins, they carry grace. Now the grace of my twins, now you put road for my way, Bola no they walk again. Now the paper of my twins, now this one, that time, oh, since I caught a born twins now, twins are different. Now different types of twins that they see. Justice for twins, put up a comment section.
I'm not back when you get a driving license in Italy. All the property we achieve together, I leave everything.
Where to now achieve? I bet no verse, where to now achieve? The money when you attend to the driving license, madam, how much? What were you doing? Which work you they work? I shall work because they thought say if the man go work finish, you they carry me, they come us. That's why your matter, you know, they bother me because now waiting una do now that they laugh person. That's why you know they stress me. When they move on, madam, husband I don't collect, picky they don't grow. Who they beat you now? Who is beating you?
I am saying this now publicly. Everybody they hear. I leave everything. Now I let my children. This something where I carry.
Now look down your children because you now only you know where you carry them come. You are very right. If I were you, I would do the same. For prick when not they work. You want to leave children where you know where you for carry come they live for prick where be banana. He?
Come up for that house.
You do well.
Only these children. What did she want? What did she want? She know how to help that man. Medically, I work on him. I see talking today, and it's true. I not see her as anything. I see her as a brother. Now, beneath person.
Now, say the moment you see your partner as your brother, relationship don't end. Now, so when the man see you, Bola not go to stand again. When you see the man, your clitoris not go to rise because now your brother. Normally, affection not supposed to be between brothers. That kind intimacy, you not go to work. The moment you start to see your husband as your brother, relationship don't end though. So which means don't be me either. If na lie, put up a comment section. Now me fellow Nigeria, I'm gonna come on.
This is not okay with her. I can help if I'm okay. Is that the offense I commit?
Which work you the work for Libya?
Now me they cry, being out there they cry. Who supposed they cry for this matter? Don't please. Now me supposed now they supposed they cry.
No, not me.
No, the thing called it
Who
back
they
from me
cry?
because for me now, the way you did the explain now, that man supposed not put a stop for this all these things. If the man really know what he they do.
May you rest.
In a if this man, because the way you explain, I become made a fist.
My husband be like pasha me with the TikTok. I be now my husband and a part of please. I don't really want. I wish to feel avoid you for this video where I want to lie. So I wish to because me not really be better person like that. If she know, I not really good like that too. Me not gonna use one kind of good person. I tell look me. I not really good. Nothing where I good for. If not be only piece of mind, I feel they afford for my husband. Or no, that's not really deal. This one where you sit down for you, so no can look me like one kind. She not they talk. The can hear you talk and now they say you go just the second that one where not they talk. A part yes, so I know they talk, but don't let me come for you. I know they talk. You see, say I come for this one now. What is she talk? I can't play for my people because people can't sleep yesterday.
See, now you want to start the fight again. That make me come and say, you hear me so? That make me come and say, at this Joshua, you need to because that man not listen to anybody. Now only your wife, now you listen to.
You know they hear that don't please don't know my husband though. He has never spoken to my husband, of which he will never do. He never, if they talk say that man on the year, when only his wife what is supposed to, no. Now your wife what is supposed here. Your own wife now. Now your wife talk, now my own husband supposed here. Brother Don Prince. Now your wife was supposed here now.
Because he demand a listen.
That's where he's doing
If the man they listen to people, this matter don't reach. He don't reach when they tell you what me forget this matter. You know why hear mommy tea for a matter gay. Normally. Normally, if not me, normally, if not me, I wait now will tell my wife, say, come, I don't want to hear. I say the man that they push the woman, make this fight not stop.
You are right.
That's my opinion at the top.
And it's very right.
Because normally, this matter don't come, everybody don't see a task. It don't reach where the matter supposed to come.
The reason why una feel say now this one I can't know say when she dey analyze mama no and me she can't dey curse. I be no even know. Now when I proko on this morning, oh my eye service. Now say I go see play there. I feel not do one today. Now you only for here, no be my own.
I mean, pass it. My mommy treat when this lady say up me, girl teach you what talk, man, listen teach you what talk. Madam, quit talk to us. If I say girl teach you what talk, you say help me.
Okay, bro, bros, good evening.
Good evening.
I got what I want to talk because I did listen to your live video now. I want to ask one question before I continue with our talk. This matter so because every AK market they know this matter till they come to talk.
Thank you.
This matter so what they bring her up again because me want know.
You want know? You want
Yes, yes, because people they talk for comment section say so they say na the woman, na the second wife, which is
Notice sweet Milish when Percy West. That's why they turn and see you see video call marriage. Whenever they talk down on her, and this woman make me they talk down on her. So just know now your peace. Because in notice sweet Milish, you say you married to Timothy Wadiai for WhatsApp. But for TikTok, you be first wife to man wake bola not the stand. No be juju be that. Enode was forced to say, Madam, this man will be your husband again. And still you say you don't move on. For where? For where? How?
Rhoda, now she bring the matter again. Bros, may we they tell ourselves the truth. As a married woman, madam, you try. May you move on. Even
Madam,
though,
shut up your mouth!
no
Shut up your mouth!
no cost,
You see the pain? Shut up your mouth! Shut up your mouth! He goes to cry. I not say, Enojo, if I cry. A pack of the tell him, Madam, don't cry. Don't do. Shut up your mouth! Shut up. Mommy don't answer. The pain, eh? Now because he come and say, as in Jesus.
Stop your mouth!
because
You know
this
what they
matter,
move on. I not move on your mouth.
now you start on.
Now your
Because
mouth
that
I dare. Who's move on? I dare your papa house. Who's move on? Are you deaf? When she's insulting me, she went to a Zaddy platform and she was insulting me there. Where were you? When I post my father picture last month, where were you? When she talked about my dead father, where were you?
Okay. When she say I talk about the dead father, now when it be say, it be like in that video where I do contour say single mother, if their papa died, they go they celebrate time. But their children don't get papa. Oh, she said, oh, madam. Hey, ja, that video not really be for you, but at this point, now you it there for. So Adam join the cry. Your papa don't even die. Oh, may he so rest in peace. Poor man. Where pikin not go see for 28 years. How you go do? As he not solely treat you the way the man born. Amen, ovueme, okwakwaeme. Go no go kono kon. Your elder brother now, he don't give two women belle. Now he give a kate sister belle. Now plus the woman where they tally. Plus the one where they say don't give belle now. You know they talk your own no. Now my way prick not they work. Your brother always be say you active, sharp bola. They go up on down. Oh my guanyo. I be want talk something. Cora. He where they oh he winner. Oh.
okay, good. Now that man dey. Now she marry.
May you quiet. They come. How they take the fast forward something?
Stop your mouth.
No,
Stop your mouth.
because
You know
this
what I
matter,
move on. I know move on. Your papa
now you
there.
start
Papa,
Who's move on? I tell your papa house.
I dare Papa house.
Who's move on? Are you deaf? When she's insulting me, she went to a Zaddy platform and she was insulting me there. Where were you?
Where were you?
When I post my father picture last month, where were you?
you?
When she talked about my dead father, where were you? Were you blind or deaf?
This way this they sweet me. Eh? So now me when no get breast, no character, no nyasha, no fine. Now me just make people mama so to be grandmother all the craze like this. Mommy tiri di oh yeah. Hey! Mommy tiri di the fucking shots. Hey! Oh boy, pastor could they so good because of me. Anytime when you hear me they say pastor where they so good, and this man they talk to carry 4 egg, go junction, wear white, all candles surround them. Because they break and say na the children papa. Now the children papa, because they break the egg. That's why when I see say they advise mom Nora, I tell mom Nora, I say, see what you don't do. Woman will go they break egg for 4 junction. Now they advise you. Mom Nora there, I not tell you, I tell you, I not tell you. I say woman will go they break egg for 4 junction. Now you let go they analyze you. Person will go 4 junction, go break egg. For man when he don't live for how many years? He don't born for 2 extra men. 2 extra men, he don't born for them. Born for Cirello man. That one, according to her, na paper he use and fine. Because he give my paper for Italy, he can't run leave the paper. He can't run leave the paper, carry belly for Cirello man, buy papa for her. Love it, they wait for court paper from you. If court paper reach my hand, then I can't declare and me what I value most, make it loss for my hand. Make it loss for my hand. You dey crest? You dey crest? Make it loss for my hand. That time I never will switch to my husband paper. Now so this woman they talk. You wear your paper, no fit go Nigeria. You wear your paper na zero paper. You wear your paper na this one. Madam, like as me am now. I am fully ready for you. Now you, too often I go make me do DNA for this country again and again. I go do for my daughter, you go do for your picky where you buy papa for. You don't want me? Are you whining? They play. Pastor Ima de America. Pastor Ima, your pastor. Where sign for your pikin? You know now, say your best friend will be my enemy before is not my friend and now your enemy. Story there, you dey craze? You dey craze? I dey wait for you. You know, say for this TikTok, if person know they talk, maintain your integrity, when I don't turn out to another thing. Just wait. Oh, go on, integrity. Kamudiane. Oh, which one they play before?
House. If you tell you, say, I don't want to see you for media.
Ozuo. Because you never married before. If you tell your wife, say, I don't want to see you for media. My husband, he be like Okobo like una. If you marry another man, we supposed to protect his marriage. You know, if you protect his marriage. Now, me want to protect marriage for person. My marriage be like, what if he shake? Nonsense.
Tell the truth.
Now, me they see the
As a married woman, madam, you try. May you move on. Even
Madam,
though
shut up your mouth.
No cost
Shut up
me.
your mouth.
No
Shut
cost
up
me.
your mouth.
Because
you know
this
what I
matter-
move on. I'm not moving
this
on your
matter,
mouth
now
again.
you-
this shut up your mouth when you talk now. Which time? It was. Which time did this shut
now
up?
you start.
22:58, which means today they are.
That time.
Now your
Because
mouth
that
again.
day,
Who's move on? I tell your papa house. Who's move on? Are you deaf? When she's insulting me, she went to a Zaddy platform and she was insulting me there. Where were you? When I post my father picture last month, where were you? When she talked about my dead father, where were you? Were you blind or deaf? Where were you?
Oh,
I want you to take me for, is it because I don't want to talk on social media? Does that mean I'm a fool? Shut up your sticky mouth.
Who brought the woman? Who brought the woman? Woman never moderator. Woman wait. It is same issue. Woman they wait. So you will, madam, you will come. Just now, you come. You not feel. You know where the woman. You come. You dey say no. Not bring people come. Not pack people come. Just wait moderator.
no, boss, no, vex. Let me talk.
You
No,
just come.
vex.
You just come. You talk like a best way. No teach. No wait. Talk like best way. No teach. They do this woman now before she come.
Because
Come
no,
out
let
to
me
this man. You never hear. Wait till she. Me will come out here. Me one come tell this my husband say, oh, but make you stop for this matter. But as I see what they explain now. You come now. You want to provoke the woman the more. You not go like that to my sister.
Bros, this woman, if they do you know they loud. That day when a no gay with the wife they quarrel, this woman all her video. She could they analyze the video. She could they throw one word concerning this man put for inside the video when she do. Let this woman talk true because that day for
Madam.
me.
Where were you? Were me not here?
Video. That is this April. But when she slander my father, where were you?
Where were you?
Where were you?
Where the woman? Send request.
When
They
she
are not
was
here.
doing right up, insulting my father, where were you? Is there any time when you know that they do video, where you know they mention my name? No time when she not to talk about me.
Miss Black,
No
Miss
time when she
White.
not to talk about me.
I know say many people don't send requests. Now I talk to this lady.
Where
Now
were
just want to talk.
How
One
were
by one,
you?
2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Good
Yeah,
evening.
Good evening.
That woman when they talk, some people your job enter video, they not listen first. This matter, don't tell when mommy 3D they drag this woman. I never know say that she be this. Mommy 3D they drag her. Where that
Colleague, oh yeah. Put on a comment section. Double you colleague on the comment chat. Hey! On the double
man
you
they don't
chat.
say that so you can they make the trauma go give her. What be that one fair trauma give mommy Mama Titi? He don't take Roger can never do
Roger,
video
what
that
be
he don't
Roger
make sure
again?
he
How many names I don't get for
Mama
this
Titi.
TikTok? Roger,
Now you
bless you.
collect person your husband, let the woman rest.
Una see
People
person-
they write for you say the woman not move on.
Una see my-
Person will not move on the day husband house. Now they do it.
I dare her, make she go tell government say she don't marry because now my mouth now government go for yes say she don't marry. I go show her picture. I get the cake when it take bend. I go show government picture say the husband I made on he dey areale. The husband he dey gezikeshe. Mama, see this woman they wait for your. I cannot wait. Since I take on this country, I never call lawyer for 1 day. Lawyer, I never call them say hello or make I call the right email or make I call the waka lawyer to lawyer. God has blessed me that much, but for your case, I want make you start them. If you start them, I don't need lawyer. You need your picky to carry go forward. Say make it speak the Dutch. You need your picky to carry go forward. Make this one leave me a beg. I know.
Person when they husband house, they go they do video, they drag her every time. In a way they talk say they move on, it be like saying I not get sense. It be like say person they husband house, your past not go still let you rest. If not, they go do it to it now.
Because she don't get good pass. Her pass prick na banana prick. You know they work. She don't get good pass. If you don't get good pass, it don't go work. She don't get good pass to if at all. The pass prick na banana prick. You know they work. You know they produce. That's why they reject 3 children for her. She suffer alone.
Person pass not go let her rest. Now say make him move on, make him move on. How you go take move on when they drag her up and down?
As Mama Titi, as Mama 3D they drag her, she no go feel rest like that.
Yes, so they must they cut the video, go give her.
So
How they follow you drag my again?
Rent your house. Like take collect your husband. If the naira say he not rent your house 1 day, say not stay your house 1
What
day.
the fuck?
My brother, this is where they talk.
Now,
Rent your house. Like take collect your husband. If the naira say he not rent your house 1 day, say not stay your house 1 day.
they must they cut the video, go give her.
So
And now they follow you drag my again. Now you snatch man, now you don't let the woman rest. Now you dey connect with them.
That man need to point this matter with the ground.
Yes.
Now,
Someone tell us,
mommy,
okay, I don't get married again. Now you are the married now. Let her rest. Not they do video about her again. You might not talk. No, see.
They don't born for you. Now they leave them and they fight every time. That man.
Brother, don't please. Prick when not they work, it they born picky. I don't understand. With all due respect, nobody don't born for my husband before. Because the last time I check, banana prick, the only is a born human being. I been a monkey she born. The answer is no, she not born monkey. So prick when not they work, they know they use and they born picky. You know understand? And now I go lie for you.
Drag now. As I say we don't hear from Mommy Titi now, say see what they cause problem.
No,
You hear me, so-
you see, I go do you saute, your husband, if I thought say you get, you don't go remember give him food chop. I swear to God. You no go remember say person day your life. After you they talk say now the saga make the man go meet the family for Italy. No be saga. Oh. You go choose now. You see that you they dwell in your past or you focus on your present. Which one you go choose? Madam, choose one. Makachuku, choose one. Oh. You see that you they dwell in your past. Your pain, see they hurt you like this. You are still bittered. Please, guys, power tap for me. You see that you see they bittered, or you go focus on your present. Alpha, choose which one you go choose for inside.
Mommy, this still press say collect person your husband.
Yes,
I don't see that one.
No,
This woman every time.
Thank you, bro.
You stop this matter.
The husband
You don't
don't
even
it's
stop
not
this
true.
matter.
May you rest. At least, my mommy understand though. Now they say something now, they beg the something.
Thank you, madam. Let's see.
This one where you talk now, probably another person now. Don't just say carry husband they work out because we plenty will be husband snatcher. Oh. We plenty now who talk your comment na so. This one now one woman go don't see shukan for yeah, or one girl go just day now where they tomato. Na best of the same feather.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. You see the way this one take talk now? No quarrel. Where that lady just now? You see the way they talk? No quarrel.
Father Priso, the way what they tell you, but yeah, when a woman move on,
everybody for you.
they say make this woman move on, me move on. You understand? Okay, I want to move on for 3 children. You understand?
For 3 children. Who she born the 3 children for? For prick when don't they work? Banana prick. That means something now. You not see no give you belly. Hey! Fellow Nigeria, mona come oh. So we may see they this life when don't know the father of their children. Hey, way, mona come oh. Banana prick, they give him a belly. Mona come oh.
And if like even though say he move on, he no move on. I just say he hold those children, he hold the man children. I want to move on. You understand? Let the man just question all those things when they happen. You understand me? I thought if I say this woman never married, now say no go another man, another man. You go if they talk and say me move on here. Everybody go to talk. You understand? This woman so mommy Titi. If he get the children, if he get the man children for hand, you understand me? One day the man.
Where she for see the children for prick will be banana. I beg go. That means anointed. What be your name? Anointed Grace. So your husband when you born children for he prick na banana prick. So na banana bola on husband they get one they born picky. Mona sha they fear God. Which I be say the man children still there with her. I don't understand.
The children go see their father. You know, guy want to be.
Where want to see her?
You understand? I just saw that the children I go come settle them. Last last so.
Children where want to
come settle them.
children where want carry that papa go court. See, let me tell you, Lovette. The worst mistake where you make for this life, now to open why let me marry this man. I swear, alone. The worst mistake where you make for this life, now to open why you can't let this man marry me. I swear to God, is the worst mistake of your life. If I were you, if I get any opportunity to stop him, I for stop him. It's too late. He has a way. It's too late. That's the worst problem where you get now. You don't know. Ma we me marry. Your children where banana prick give you belly bone. If at all, then you can say, you want to carry my husband go cut. I can't wait to. I can't wait.
All those things where you
Okay, the man now will not fit talk for this matter. Which advice you get for the man?
Make the man just question. Me call your wife. You understand? This will not be insult again. Me just call your wife. Me stop all those things. You understand? Because it is, I don't know, because since
This everybody power time. What time people can be watching us? No, we never reach 10,000 like. Or why is it like this, my people?
See,
1,000 people, 1,000 plus is watching us. Nobody will WhatsApp. Why? Please, everybody, massive power tap. Let's go. Let's not go drop us at there.
now this man
Everybody,
I go
massive
stop.
Please,
You
guys, power tap for me. Zanyobu, thank you.
Mama, you know if they swear for the man because
No,
your
I
children there with her.
because
Why you dey beg am? Anointed Grace over Sabi. Why you dey beg and make you know they swear for the man? He tell you say that the man you born the children for. Which one be say man where you born for? You not supposed to swear for him. Why you not go swear for him? My sister swear for him. Swear for them, because if not the man you born the children for, the cost go fair rain upon your children. Oh, but it show me that say you know so no be the man get the children and make you they get deliver to the
Oh, Jamena, it is too much.
Mama, no.
Mama, you might make one of them.
Mama, you know be insult her because your blood there with her. Your blood there with her. You
I never
understand?
see thank you for my life. I never see. It might be a
Please, guys,
no.
Christian Igebo, Iga Uweni down. Ina Uweni down. Or phone on up with me. Ima Uweni down.
Pastor, the song. Pastor.
I will where it is too much now. Everywhere, everybody. How many years where I did travel? Where I never hear this, I never feel this kind of thing.
Because I beg, give me my minutes. May I use them?
No, it's not time.
As you don't talk, don't talk to me anyhow. Bro, you go set for me.
No, I know what it's up. I beg, put my minutes. Make I use that talk. No
They
vex.
talk, don't worry, they talk.
Person where she don't know, now you want set for. Imagine. He go set for me and you if you talk true. Everybody will come this up, need to please her. She not please her. See, now maybe that presenter, you know if he give me money, stay see white, make a color black. Me. Now maybe that. You know fit. Now me. That's why my ego, I get pride. If you know me for real life, I be woman with pride. Pride, 100. Because they tell me, say, you not talk to me. If you talk to me,
Okay.
you go set for me.
As I was saying just now, beg anybody will come up, me no insult me. Drop your opinion, may you come down. No be say you come say that way when you come just now. See what they talk. Now my own now talk. Now what everybody they see for TikTok. Now I mix the talk put. What me see for this matter? My advice to women will be say, with the husband not there. Gata go beguna. If your husband not there again, carry the children, go give the man. Make the man.
Which man you won't give? The same man where he prick na banana. Mona they touch you for this TikTok. Oh. Me all of us for last. How you go down no vividly say no be this man give you belle. The relationship can't finish. You can't leave man when not be picking. Children will not be young for her. How now want to do that kind of thing? Why have conscience here? Now not get conscience. You can't leave man for picking when not be. You can't leave picking for papa when
They
not
take
be.
care of the children. Maybe you as a woman, you enjoy your life, they go. Because you
Abroad.
yes, so bros, if that's not do that.
I know one my heart will not contain.
I'm not telling not be you at the talk. I'm not talking about women. At the talk of women.
Because now
I'm
my
not
house are ground now. If you want advice, go
I'm not
advise.
messing because I wish you leave this man. I wish you leave this children for this man. Now, if you don't go there, follow this man. I wish you leave the children for the man. If for some leave the children for the man, move on with your life. Just enjoy your life. They go no.
I'm not killing my children. You feel live your own.
Okay, you know what? Why you call the disturb person for TikTok, madam? Etta has. Your own is too much.
This
I
man.
don't know where you for come. When you say you marry, also I not let you stay. You go through and give the woman. If the woman talk, that the woman will go mad. That's what they analyze. They don't get mad. You cause the throw one word for inside. You just say the woman will see the video.
Then you deaf. When she dey insult me, since then you deaf. You be partner to her. When she dey insult me, since then you deaf or you blind.
People like that.
You deaf or you blind.
You they made a talk.
When she dey insult me, ever.
I tell this woman, say, I go carry you enter TikTok. She thought this had a joke. I say, I go, me, this Facebook where you do so now small. Now TikTok, I go drag you, like I really drag. I really, bolwek. It don't come. Fa, husband, banana prick, according to you. Say the man prick not they work. But still, after 13 years, you sit on top man where prick not they work. Wetin motivates you? Wetin motivates you to open leg for this man? A very useless man. Man wey prick no dey work. Man wey need to take, wetin she call the thing just now? Wey need to take something before he prick fit stand. What were you doing with that kind of man? As if they are big rich. You no see better person follow. Your dwarfness no fit attract good man. You can't say, now useless man, now you want follow. Now wow, some women una too mumu. Una too mumu. Now this woman will not say no. If you carry me go no day, you say no they do bias. Now don't preach.
Since you deaf or you blind. You deaf or you blind. When she dey insult me every video, she dey use fake account they follow me. And they do video this morning. She dey write, they insult me up and down. I never want to enter a live video.
Okay.
I know they enter.
Okay. She say she dey do live video. Me come enter there, they insult her. That was this early morning. I ain't they do this video cause on my year else we no gree rest. If I don't ever enter your live video, comment put me waiting I value most, make I lost time. But if I never jump you for live video, say I can't come with fake account, comment put for your TikTok, all the things where you value most, you go lose them. For my matter, you think I joke with they? We know the joke. Oh, you go lose them. You wear theater. You wear you collect person your husband. Person go another person go they follow you talk. You they say na me. No, so I did jobless. See product for grant. I never answer companies. Then you they talk. I can't they come comment session with fake ogun where. Waiting me won't tell you for your comment section. Why not feel on my platform? They tell you. When me or they give you view, they can your comment section. They comment. You they crazy. Waiting I want tell you for your comment section. When me not fit tell you now. You where you don't know how to read. Now you want me. Now you know what they type for. Can they comment? When I tell people say you're crazy now every
I know they enter, not be say for mouth. I know they do one. She said me get fake account. Even real account, I never feel operate and finish. Talk of say fake account. When are these?
you know, I don't know whether you get fake account or you don't get, but my videos where they do how you take the see. The one where you say I do for Zadiva platform, how you take see? The one where you say I do for your papa, how you take see? How you take the see them? And Gabriel.
Do. I get a lot of things in front of me where they attend to. You sure send a TikTok or Facebook. Now be my thing where they attend to.
You
You don't know the time I attend Conti Talk. You know me before. If not, she drag me. You know me before. I did on the low key. I did on my own. Now she bring me come out.
If I don't praise, good evening, sir. I beg all those women when they come up and come they disrespect.
You not go
this woman.
back.
all these people, you see pastor say you not go back.
Mommy Titi.
If na the man you really born the children for, you say I say no go see better for your children because na the man name is they carry Oigebo. If na true say na the man really get the children, it's not take better for their papa cause man we no good, that they both pick we no good though. I bet you don't know. Hey, if I were you by now, if I don't change that name, but ego money go let you change. He go let you change, but every day you they so good for the children where you keep his ass. He said children where want make you don't make me because of me now they don't know you want say I should be for 18 years. Now the children they lay cost on now. Except say that the not be the banana prick they take that part sweets me. Say the man a banana.
Make them stop. What did they do? Not good though. If you say more can't talk truth, and now those people now they fuel this matter. You know good. You know good though because what the way no when I this woman they are on ever since now. Everybody knows that this woman they happy for her married house.
Everybody knows say she's happy. Now only me as I don't cry today. You know see when my eye be big. I don't cry, don't suffer. But also why you suffer, Kibi? Fellow Nigeria, but I help me, I'm suffering. Fellow Nigeria, but I come. Since I take body patience, but I don't get peace of mind. Fellow Nigeria, but I pour me water. Your hair is so beautiful. Thank you very much, sis. But I pour me water. Now let me. Ew, this morning, my husband don't beat me.
Everybody won't do video. Make them do video. They'll do video. They not call each other name because I don't think